Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are in Austin. We're removing a roof for this customer. You can see the guys. It is 8:29 right now at this minute here in Austin. What happened on this project was the customer had, I think, 3 trees fall on the roof. One over here where these guys are working at, one right here, and then another one over in this area. So what happened, they put in a request for us to come out and look at the property, and that's exactly what we did. We came out here and met with them, let them know exactly what we could do for them. Filed a claim underneath their home property insurance, and here we are. The guys are removing shingles. We're going to be putting a new roof. So the new roof system, drip edge, underlayment, shingles, roof boots, everything, all that, etc. New gutters, and then I believe we're working on a garage door at the moment, but here, we'll follow you guys up here. So all the shingles are coming off. These guys are killing it. They got all the ones up off of here. Sorry, it's a little chilly this morning. Wow, look at that view. And then they got these ones off on this side, and then they'll start the garage here in a minute. We got materials down there. And then we got materials over there on the other side of the trailer, like right there. Here in Austin, the customer that had the 3 trees fall on her roof, one of them was right in this area. So what she went ahead and picked was the Malarkey Weatherwood. That's what we picked on this project. I'll get a little closer so you guys can see. Looking for the tag here. So we went with the Malarkey Weatherwood, the Highlander. So there it is. That's a couple of what we got going on. This is the part where we're replacing, well, actually it's the whole thing. They're getting new drip edge, new gutters. We're working on the garage door because one of the trees fell down and scratched the garage door and damaged that. So the guys got all the shingles off. Everything is gone. Contact us today for your free roof inspection, 512-822-8388. Here's the rest of the materials. We have them on this side because it's easier for the guys to reach. There's Bernardo, this sorry. This guy that helps us with all of our roofs. And so we got the rest of the materials here. We got a guy throwing down a bundle right there. There it is. We're out with the old, in with the new. Contact us today. I'm Rafael with Hargrove Roofing. We can help you out with any of your insurance claims when it comes to restoration on your home. So if you got hit with a bad storm, we know exactly what to do. We know exactly how to help you, and we know exactly how to save you the most money. My phone number is 512-822-8387. They've got stripped down to decking right here. We got the old shingles off. The guys are on this side removing. There's an area over here where the decking is rotted away, and we're not just going to cover it up. We're going to go ahead and replace it. I wanted to show you guys this because this is very important, because we don't go shingle over shingle. We go straight down to the decking. Here's that area that is rotted away. So as you can see, it just flakes apart. So we're gonna get this all replaced. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see that they got all of the shingles off, the underlayment off, and we're at straight decking right now. There was an area that was rotted out on the other side of this chimney. I'll show you guys that right now. That's getting taken out and replaced. The guys are over there. So they got this all taken out. They're over on the other side of this pitch, on the other side. Right down here, I'm not sure if you can see, right there is where the rotted area is at. We're gonna take that piece out and replace it for them. But if you're looking for a new roof, you have roof damage due to a storm, hail, tornado, fallen limb from a tree, contact us today. We can help you out with that. This customer just paid their deductible, $5,000 deductible. Total amount of work they're getting is close to $42,000 worth of work. We can help you. All they're paying is $5,000. That's it. I don't know how many more times to say it. It's just your deductible, and we take care of the rest. Contact us today, 512-822-8387. So we're removing shingles. The trailer is right down there. That's why it looks like they're chucking it over here. The trailer is right on the other side of this pitch. Are you looking for a roof? contact us today. I know this is backwards, but it's Hargrove Roofing. This is probably backwards too, but we're Hargrove Roofing. We're based out of Austin, Texas. We serve all of the surrounding cities. There's several cities in Austin, around the Austin area, that's gotten hit with hail. And if you haven't got hit with hail or had any winter storm damage, so this customer had 3 trees fall on their roof. And what happened was they contacted us. We helped them file a claim. We met with the adjuster, the insurance adjuster, and then we helped the customer get a new roof. And so that's where we're at. There's nothing else to say. They're putting on a new roof. You can see the underlayments there. And if you don't believe me, go look back on our channel and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. All they paid was their deductible. So this is a $42,000 roof with gutters and a little bit of siding work. And they just paid $5,000. If you're wondering how, we help customers. If you have property insurance, your insurance, when you have damage on your home like this, they help you fix up the home because it's in their best interest and your guys' best interest. And not just that, you guys pay your monthly payment on your insurance bill. So contact us today, Hargrove Roofing, 512-822-8387, or contact us on the number on the banner. All right, ladies and gentlemen, another project complete by Hargrove Roofing. I'm Rafael. We're out of the Austin office. We have multiple offices all throughout Texas and Louisiana. We're gonna get a little closer and show you guys so you guys don't get too bored. Just want to introduce myself, so here we go. This is a roof that we just got done replacing. I'll go around. There's a back side and a side to it. We just got done replacing this because they had multiple trees fall on the roof. They contacted us. We contacted the insurance company. We went ahead and filed a claim, and bam, we got them a new roof. So here we go to the back. So here's a closer look. So you can see it, a brand new roof. So they got a roof on this side. And here's a few of the extra materials we had left over that we ordered extra just in case. So you guys don't think it's just a random job. Here's our trailer. And then here's the back side of the roof. Right there, they had a rotted piece of plywood. We went in and cut that out. If anybody's interested, I can show you guys what we did there on another video. They got a new roof, all new drip edge, new roof up there. New drip edge all the way around. Even a little small area got in there, got a new roof, and then a new roof on that. Kind of hard to see, but they got a new roof right there, and they're getting new gutters. So they'll get new gutters here, new gutter there, so that'll get replaced. This downspout will get new gutters here and here, new gutters there. And ladies and gentlemen, just like that, the new roof is completed by Hargrove Roofing. I'm Rafael. I was the salesperson on this, or roof consultant on this project. The customer contacted us. I came out. If you're looking for a new roof, contact me today.